चलते हैं लोग इतने आंखों से सब देखने लगते हैं, वो एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहता है? और ये आउटफिट के बारे में अगर आपको अपनी तरफ से बताना हो तो हाउ इज द एक्सपीरियंस?
So hi guys, I'm Yuvika Chaudhary and today I'm wearing label Gayatri. This is my designer. She's from the Northeast and you know she has dressed me and decked me up as a Northeastern bride. And I'm so grateful and happy to be a part of GICW 2025. I did also work for GICW 2024. And ma'am, you would like to add something?
What is the whole process and what is the mindset behind this design? Can you just explain?
First of all, I want to thank GICW for giving us this wonderful platform to showcase our traditional attire from Assam. And it was a great experience and a wonderful platform for designers like us where we can showcase our culture and the rich heritage of Assam.
And as you can see, you know, I'm wearing a three-piece dress. I am dressed as a Northeastern bride. And there's a veil also, actually. I think I should show it to them. There's a veil also which
Koina.
says Koina.
Koina means bride.
And Koina actually means bride.
In Assam.
So, yeah, in Assamese it actually means bride. So, yeah, I just finished my ramp walk and I think we did a pretty good job.
And I want to say one thing. I'm very grateful and privileged to have her as my brand showstopper. So thank you so much, Lekha. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me on board. You know, I mean, they say Northeast is the Scotland of India, and I absolutely believe in that. And in fact, I did go to Kamakya Temple, and you know, went to Baglamukhi, and I've been to Northeast, not that very much, but yes, a little bit. But I would like to come more often.
Yes, we'll look after you.
Yeah.
इस रैम के बाद तो काफी कॉन्फिडेंट लग रही हो आप, बट रैम के पहले की जानना चाहेंगे जिस तरीके से आप जिस रैम पे चल रही थी वो काफी ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंट थे, बट आपके अंदर क्या नर्वसनेस थी स्टार्टिंग में?
यार अंदर तो देखो स्ट्रेस ही रहता है.
Don't ask me. I was very nervous. This is my first.
It's a first
time.
fashion show. It's a first fashion show experience. I think I've been there a couple of times, but yeah, Gayatri, she was a little hesitant and a little nervous. But I think once you were on ramp, you were all up for
I
it.
hope so.
Yeah.
I hope so. Thank you.
ये आप एज एन पब्लिक फिगर एज एन आर्टिस्ट काफी जगह विजिट करना पड़ता है. ये ड्रेस अगर आपको किसी फंक्शन में या किसी अटायर अपने को क्रिएट करना हो तो आप कहाँ जाना पसंद करोगे ये पहनकर?
See, this is what
The bridal. This is a
what.
path silk.
So I am wearing bath silk right
Path
now.
silk. Path.
I'm wearing path silk right now, and it's a three-piece dress, and it is out and out a northeastern bridal attire. So I think Assamese attire, and I think अगर मुझे कभी पहनना है तो मेरी कोई आसाम में दोस्त हो, and if she's getting married, probably I'll give this dress to her. Or else if I get married to an Assami,
Yes.
I get married in Assam, probably I'll wear it then. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Very well done. Thank you. Come. Sanu.
Where is artist?
Thank you.
Please come in that side. I did a
Thank you.
Looking rapidly wearing little
Thank you.
What's your experience of the longest time?
See, for me, this is like a homecoming, because this is how I started my career as a model, back in '94, and I was still a teenager that time, and I'm always so happy to be back on ramp because it's like my first, you come back to your first love. And Nitin is a very dear friend of mine. He's a young designer, and this is the second time I've worked for him. I worked for him at the ITM many years ago, and today I was able to join him and participate in his celebration today. His clothes are fantastic. I just said that normally I don't wear velvet, in clothes because it's slightly heavy as a fabric, but when I wore his outfit, it just fell so beautifully on in place and on my body. It just gave me that sort of that it's an automatic generation of swag within you. So I had a good time walking on the ramp wearing his outfit.
My dream Sudhanshu sir especially came for me. He gave me his precious time, and he's the only one who can give justice to my collection. And I'm very blessed. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks to everyone. Thanks to GIC. Thanks to Satya sir and Siddharth, Sham, everybody.
Yeah, and special mention to for GICW, Satya. I think you guys should know that he's the owner of this property. It's a beautiful event, and so is he, Siddharth. And they've created such a beautiful event here, and I would definitely want to congratulate them. And I can tell you that they have a very bright future ahead if they can, in such early years of your starting, if you can create such magical stuff. I'm sure the future is really bright.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for our showstopper, Sudhanshu Pandey.
Oh my God. Always super happy for her. God bless her. I just love her because I know her since when she started her career. Work for her. And today again after 4 years she's back. Super happy. I wish her everything. Good in her life. Everything. Because I love her. God bless you, baby.
Thank you. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for coming.